Hi everyone, welcome back. This is Roxanne here. Welcome back to another video of mine. I come to you as I am in a robe and pajamas, so hopefully you guys don't mind that. The type of robe that I'm wearing is from Victoria's Secret. It says Victoria's Secret engraved in the back, and just a pajama set that I bought from Walmart that says Snow Queen. So yes, I come to you as I am and take me as I am. And I also colored my hair. I didn't do it by myself. I got it done at a salon. I just wanted some color into my hair, so it's a dark color with a little bit of red or reddish purple in there. So yeah, so in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys another FabFitFun subscription service box. I'm going to be doing an unboxing and show you what products that I got and in December's box, and it's a seasonal box. You get a box for spring, summer, fall, and winter, and this is the winter box that I'm going to be talking to you about pretty soon. So yes, and their pricing is $49.95, but it's a box value of either $200, maybe $230, or up to $300. So yes, and so let's get right into it. Okay, so let's see. So always in their box they come with a magazine talking to you about the box and the people that work for the FabFitFun subscription service box. And here on the front cover is Maria Shriver. So, and they always go to, and the money that it goes to charity. And let's see, the December box goes to, let me hold it. This is what it looks like. This is what the box looks like. It's very pretty design. And it goes to Women's Alzheimer's Movement. They always do a charity of choice. Now, do keep in mind, I'm not paid, I'm not sponsored in any way. I bought this with my own money, and this is not my company or anything. I'll tell you who is the co-founder and editor of FabFitFun in just a minute. It tells you in the magazine. So yes, so let's see. Okay, that's the editor's letter. And let's see. The co-founder and editor-in-chief is Katie Echevarria Rosen Kitchens. There you are. That's what she looks like, and that's her name. That's her name right there. You can see it. So that's I don't know if she's the only co-founder or maybe one of the I think she's one of the co-founders of FabFitFun. So yeah, and I'll even tell you who the designer of the box is, or who did the artwork of the box. Now this is a magazine that just tells you about the product. It tells you about life stuff and everything. And so yeah, I don't know if I mentioned Maria Shriver is on the cover of the Winter's magazine. So yeah. So the artist is, let's see if I can get it. Where is it? I know. It's in here somewhere. Ah, here we go. Box artist Geraldine Sy. So that's her right there. She's the box artist for this winter's FabFitFun box. Now, Geraldine Sy is an illustrator based in Cebu, Philippines. She creates colorful digital compositions with a handcrafted feel while showcasing a human touch beneath the pixels. She works with international brands, publications, and companies to make illustrations of varying shapes and sizes. She has been recognized and exhibited by many award insti institutions, including Adobe Photoshop's 25 artists under 25. So that's her. That's the designer of the winter box. Okay, so let's get right into it. So in every box you get this discount card from HelloFresh, and then you get a discount card saying $15 off your first box. That's a 200 plus value for $34.99. So you get a discount code. Sorry, I would list the links down below and everything, but I don't know how to do that, so I can only type out websites. I don't know how to do that just yet, so forgive me on that. I don't know how to do discounts for me or coupon codes. I'm sorry if I don't know how to do that. So yeah. And then my nail polish, I know I need to get my nails done, and I know they're ruined, but oh well. But let's keep going on the box. So I'll show you what I got. I'm gonna keep the magazine out so I can show you what they are and how much they cost. So up first we have a makeup eraser. So that's what that looks like. And it's basically a cloth, and it's cruelty free. It's a cloth you put water in, you just wash your face, and it takes off your makeup. I'm not going to be taking out and showing to you guys what the stuff looks like, so yeah, so forgive me on that. Okay, so that's what that looks like. And so to show you what it is, I'll open it. See, it's just like a cloth thing. That's what that looks like. Okay, let me roll it up. Put it back in its box. So, and there's some more. Or I can just leave it in there. Leave it in the box. Scrunch it down. So for the makeup eraser, let me find it in the magazine. Okay, the makeup eraser, where is it? Number 8, makeup eraser in original pink. From waterproof mascara to bronzer and blush, this reusable makeup eraser erases the day with just water. And that's a $20 value. So that's that. Then also I got is Beauty Bakerie Proof in the Pudding eyeshadow palette. So this is what that looks like. And let me take it out of its cover. Sorry if you can hear the laundry machine going in the back. I'm recording this in my garage. See? I'm going to keep the plastic covering, and this is what that looks like. It's a real nice, this is a good shadows for like winter or fall or anything, or even for a nice nude color. So that's what the colors look like. And it doesn't have a smell or anything like a vanilla scent or anything. No, I wish it was, you know, coming from Beauty Bakerie, but this is a nice eyeshadow palette. if I can put it back in its cover. Okay, so that's that. So the Beauty Bakerie Pudding eyeshadow palette. Oh, let's see. For a Beauty Bakery Proof is in the pudding palette, $38. Okay. Oh, and another cool thing, you guys will like this. I think this is the most coolest thing in the box that I've gotten. Is the Bando Bluetooth shower speaker. Now I'm not gonna take it out, but I mean, well, let me see. Let me take it out. That way you see what it kind of looks like. But I think this is really cool. And it's Bluetooth connected. You can listen to your music in the shower with this. See, this is what it looks like. Isn't that really cool? It's a speaker. It's a Bluetooth shower speaker, so that's really cool. I cannot believe that. That is pretty cool. I can play it in the shower and listen to music in the shower. But I think that's the most coolest thing that I've ever gotten in this season's box. Okay, now I'll tell you the price of the Bluetooth speaker. Bando Bluetooth shower speaker, $30. Okay. Now another thing that I got are these, which I think this is pretty cool. These are the batting pal lashes. And it comes in this little box, so I think this is pretty neat. Some lashes. I got some lashes. Here's some lash glue, and I'm definitely going to use this. So I got some lashes, and let's see, batting pal. Let me look it up in the. Let me look it up on the magazine. I know the magazine has it. Yes, 3B. 3B. Baddington Lashes Monroe 3D Silk Lashes Glue Kit. And that is a $32 value. Wow, just for lashes. Okay, and there's still more. So another thing that I got is the Nasink London Thirsty Hand Super Hydrating Hand Mask. That's what that looks like. Moisturization for your hands, basically. It's a hand mask. So that is, let me see. $6A. Ink Readable Nails Ink Thirsty Hand Mask Dew, and that's a value of $16. Okay, and there's still some more. So next up is this Color Switch Instant Brush Cleaner. Instantly removes makeup from brushes. Dry cleaner, instantly clean, reusable. So I guess you just take your makeup brush and you dip it in. I guess you swirl it in here, dip it in, swirl it, and then it's supposed to clean your brush. Now I know there's something else. Let me see. I have to go through. I know there's something else here. Oh yes, there is. Sorry, I got two more things. And this is the Prep Rally from Dry Bar Prime and Prep Detangler. See, protects up to 450 degrees. So that's what that is from Dry Bar. Formulated with biotin, vitamins B and C, and UV blockers, this lightweight detangler protects hair from heat up to 150 degrees and preps hair for optimal forms of styling products. Yeah, so that is, hold on, what's that value? Let me look. Let's see it. Number 7. Dry Bar Prep Belly Prime and Prep Detangler for the hair. This lightweight detangler uses biotin, vitamins B and C, and sea berry oil to protect hair against heat up to 450 Fahrenheit and leave hair soft and conditioned. Now that's $23. Now last item, which I think this is really good for this time, of course, of any time of winter season, is that, oh, it's big and it's fluffy. I'm not gonna take it out, and I know this is very comforting, but this is the Unhide for Love Not Fur, which is this. That's great. No animals were harmed in the making of this product. So this is a blanket. Yay! I got a blanket. Yes. So let me look up. See, this is what it looks like. I'm glad that I have a blanket. I think the blanket and the speaker is the best thing that I've gotten in this season's box. Now let me try and find that one. Okay, 1B. The Unhide Lil Marshmallow Stay Cozy all winter long with this faux fur blanket, and that's up to $65 value. Wow, I think that might be the most expensive thing in the box so far, or at least in the box that I've gotten. Now more about Maria Shriver. I believe she's the one who founded, now I'm going to tell you a little bit about her. Let me go, I know, where is it? She founded the, let me get to it. Oh gosh. Oh my lord, where is she? Sorry, hold on. So that's what I got in this season's box, the winter box. Okay. She founded the Women's Alzheimer Movement. So I guess that's the charity of choice. And so yeah, so that's everything that I got in this winter's box. Maybe I can tell you more about Maria Shriver. It's her right there. And I think that's it. So yeah, so hope you guys enjoy that, and I'll list everything down below. I'll try to get the websites and also put the pricing down below, and hope you enjoy this video. So yeah, have a good day or evening or night out there, and I'll see you in my next video. Okay, thank you for joining. I appreciate it. Bye bye.